Hi, I'm Robert, and let me tell you about the ANU BIT International Photonics Masterclass. So the ANU International Photonics Masterclass is an intensive 2-week workshop at the Australian National University housed in the Department of Quantum Science. You will learn how to build a photonic sensing system, assembling it from scratch. Along the way, you'll learn optics, learn about lasers, digital signal acquisition, digital signal processing, and control systems. We found that the best way to learn is through doing. And so in this workshop, you will build this sensing system yourself. Along the way, you'll uncover many new skills in manipulating optical systems, interfacing electronics with optical systems, signal analysis, and signal processing. Along with the practical component, there will also be plenty of theory so that you can really understand what's going on and why we make the choices we make when we're building photonic sensing systems. The 2 weeks is not all work. Canberra is a fantastic place. It's Australia's bush capital, so it's very close to nature and you'll get a chance to see Australian wildlife and our national institutions. I look forward to welcoming BIT students to Canberra this July.